I was sent this product to review. This is cordless electric scissors. Let me open this up and I'll show you what's in the box here. Comes with a nice little handle there. Nice case. This is a zipper case, so you just open it up like this, and there is some items here in the pocket. There's an extra blade here, some instructions are right here, and then you've got your electric scissor itself. Let me get it out of the plastic so you can see it real good. This is a great cutting tool. You can see the blade there, the little switch there. So that's nice. It's got a guard here. This is great for cutting fabric, cardboard, metal sheeting, paper, anything that you need to cut like that. This is a great product to do it, and great for your quilters, great for people who have a lot of boxes to cut or paper to cut. This is just a wonderful product that's going to save you a lot of time and energy and give you nice straight cuts, and I highly recommend it. I'm going to love this.